Welcome to Easy BTech, your guide for BTech and beyond. In the today's topic, we will discuss regarding the problems of BJT. Okay, what are the different types of problems in terms of examination point of view? Okay, students, very interesting topic today. Okay, you can see problems. First, from alpha beta gamma relationship, alpha beta gamma, and IC, IB, and IE. These relationship. Okay, first you can remember alpha is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Next, beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Gamma is equal to 1 plus beta. Gamma is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha. This is the relationship. And next equation IE is equal to emitter current is equal to IC plus IB. Emitter current is equal to collector current plus base current. And remember, IE and IC, its magnitude is in milliamperes, whereas an IB, its magnitude is microamperes. Okay, and for common emitter configuration, alpha is equal to IC by IE for common emitter common base configuration. Common base configuration, large current gain for DC is alpha is equal to this. Beta is equal to IC by IB. This is for common emitter configuration. Gamma is IE by IB. This is for common collector configuration. Okay, this you have to remember before going to the topic. And stability factor derivation, that is 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta differentiate IB by differentiate IC. Okay, this is a stability factor formula. Okay, students, concentrate on these formulas and you will be having problems on this which are useful in the for the solving the problems. Okay, students, we will go an example. We will take one example. Next, you can see in a common base transistor. In a common base transistor circuit, the emitter current is 10 milliamperes. Emitter current is 10 milliamperes and the collector current is that is IC is equal to 9.8 milliamperes. Find IB value. Okay, solution. This is a problem. Now he has given the value of IE, he has given the value of IC. He is asking the value of IB. What is the formula? IE is equal to IB plus IC. From this we know IB. IB is equal to IE minus IC. Both are in milliampere. See once, it is milli. Now 10 minus 9.8. Both are in milli. Then you will get 0.2 milli. 0.2 milliamperes. Okay, the answer for this is 0.2 milliamperes. Okay, students. Next question you can see. The common base DC current gain of a transistor is 0.967. Common base DC current gain for common base, okay, and emitter current IE is 10 milliamperes. Okay, then find IB. Now students, you can clearly understand, he has given the value this common gain current, common base. For a common base, in the previous you can see, for a common base configuration, current gain DC factor is alpha. Alpha is equal to IC by IE. Now you can find from this. Okay. Now the given value, this is alpha. Okay. What he has given? That is alpha is equal to IC by IE. Now you know the value of IE. He has given 10 milliampere. Alpha he has given. Then you can write alpha is this 0.967 into this IE. IE how much? 10 milli. 10 into 10 power minus 3. This you will get the value of IB. Now what you are getting? Into 10 means getting 9.67 into 10 power minus 3 is the value of IB. If you want write in micro, then you may write in 9.9670 into 10 power minus 6. You may write in that manner. Okay, this is the value of, this is the value of IC. See here. From here you can write IC is equal to alpha into IE. Okay. Now you can say alpha is equal to IC by IE. IC is equal to alpha into IE. Alpha is this value and this is IE. Now you are getting the value of IC value how much? 9.67 milliampere. This is the value of IC current. Now you may find the IB. Easily you can find from this formula. What is that equation? IE is equal to IB plus IC. From this IB you can find easily. IB is equal to IE minus IC. That is 10 minus 9.67. 10 minus 9.67. You will get the value like 0.33 milliamperes. This is the value. Like that, some simple and small examples are there. You may solve. Okay, students. Now, third question you take. Determine the value of IC and IE for the transistor circuit. Beta is equal to 200, IB is equal to 0.125 milliamperes. Now he has given the beta value, he has given the IB value. You have to find this expression. Now beta given, IB given, now you can find beta is equal to IC by IB. Beta is equal to IC by IB. Now from this formula, you will get IC. IC is equal to beta into IB. Beta value how much? 200. 200 into IB. IB value is this. 0.125 into 10 power minus 3. Is it clear? Now what you are going to get? The value of beta is equal to IC by IB. From this you can find out the IC value. Now you will get the value of IC is it clear? That is 25. 125 means 25 milliamperes. Because here same, here 200 na, here two zeros you will get 12.5. 12.5 into 2, 25 milli. This milli right. The answer for that is 25 milliampere is the value of IB. If you want to find IE, IE is equal to, from this formula, IB plus IC, 25 milliamperes plus IB. IB has given 0.125 milliamperes. Now totally you are getting 25.125 milliamperes. This is the emitter current. Okay. Always emitter current greater than IC current. Or emitter current greater than IB, far greater than IB current. Okay students, next problem we will take. A germanium transistor is used in a amplifier circuit has ICB0 as 10 microamperes at 27 degrees centigrade and HFE is 50. Find IC current. Okay, this we have to find. Now germanium transistor given and here IC0. Okay, ICB0, this is a reverse saturation current, and HFE means beta 50 given. What is the formula? IC is equal to beta IB plus 1 plus beta into ICB0. This is the formula for the collector current. Now from this you can write IC is equal to beta 50 into IB. Okay. To get the IB, what we have to find? How we can find the value of IB? Okay. IB has given in the problem. Okay. What he has given in the problem? IB. Therefore, IB is 0.25 milliamperes. IB has given. Now 50 into 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 plus 1 plus beta 50 into IC0 10 into 10 power minus 6. Now by substituting here you will get the value, that is IC is equal to 13.01 milliampere. 50, here you will get a 2.5 into 5, 175 plus 51 into 10. All mix together, you will get a 13.01 milliampere. That is the IC current. Okay, it is the one way. Similarly, next you can say determine the base collector and emitter current and VCE output voltage as shown from the circuit, okay. For VCC given, that is 10 volts, VBB given 4 volts, RB given 200 kilo ohm, RC given 2 kilo ohm, VBE 0.7 volts. Next, beta is equal to 200. Okay, and the circuit is, it is the VBB, this is RB. This RB value is like how much he has given? 200 kilo ohm. RC, VCC how much he has given? 10 volts. RC how much he has given? 2 kilo ohm. VBE, this is VBE. Here to here VC. Okay, we will write this equation from here. The loop current equation, here the current is IB. Okay. This is 4 volts he has given. Now to write this equation, first equation, it is a loop 1. It is first loop. VBB is equal to IB RB plus VBE, the first equation. From this, we will write IB, VBB known, RB known, VBE also known. The unknown is IB current. That is VBB minus VBE by RB is equal to IB. This is the first equation. Okay. From the first equation we derive. Okay. From this, VBB value how much? What is the VBB value? VBB 4 volts. Okay. 4 minus VBE. VBE how much? 0.7 by RB 200 kilo ohm is equal to IB. Okay. IB is equal to 4 minus 0.7, 3.3. 3.3 into 200. This kilo will go up, 10 power minus 3. Now 3.3 divided by 200. 3.3 divided by 200. You will get this current approximately as 16.5 microamperes. This current is 16.5 microamperes. Okay, students. From the equation 2, we will write a VCC. This VCC is equal to the current here IC RC plus VCE. VCC is equal to IC RC plus VCE. Now from this we will write VCC minus IC RC is equal to VCE. VCC how much? 10 minus IC. Okay. How we will find IC? How we will find, you know the IB value, you know the beta value, we will find easily. Very good. Okay. Students, to get the IC value, IC is equal to beta into IB. We know the beta value is 200 into IB value. Okay, beta value is 200, IB value You are gotten 16.5 microamperes. 16.5 microamperes. Now you will get the value of IC. What is the value of IC? 3.3 milliampere. The value of IC is 3. From this VCC minus 10 minus IC, 3.3 into 10 power minus 3 into RC. RC, what is the value of RC? RC value 2 kilo ohm. 2 into 2, 2 into 10 power 3. This and this will get cancelled. 10 minus this. 10 minus 3.3 into 2. That is 10 minus 6.6. Okay. Then you will get the answer like 3.4 VCE. What is the output voltage? VCE is equal to 3.4 volts. 3.4 volts. Okay, students, see once the problem. Determine the base collector and emitter current. Okay, now here collector current find it, base current find it, base current, collector current and emitter current. Now you can find the emitter current. What is the emitter current? IE is equal to IB plus IC. What is the value of IB? IB 16.5 into 10 power minus 6 plus IC value. IC value is 3.3 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, students. This resultant you will get the value of IE. Okay. Now you can see all the problems. Now this is the relationship important. What is alpha, what is beta, what is gamma. This relationship important. And what is the relationship? IE is equal to IC plus IB. And always remember IE and IC in terms of milliamperes. A large current, whereas in reverse IB, it is also a recombination current and it lies in a microamperes. Due to doping level, its current is very less. And the large signal current gain for DC, for common base is alpha, common emitter is beta, common collector is gamma. And it is a stability factor. Okay. Now we will see one small example on the stability factor. Next, see the problem. A NPN transistor, if beta is equal to 50 is used in common emitter circuit with VCC is equal to 10 volts, RC is equal to 2 kilo ohm, the bias is obtained, by connecting low 100 kilo ohm load resistors, 100 kilo ohm resistor from collector to base. Find the quiescent point. Okay, students, I hope you understand the here very clear. A NPN transistor, if beta is 50 in CE circuit with VCC 10 RC, and the bias is connected between connecting 100 kilo ohm a resistor from collector to base. It means the circuit is like this. It is like uh, base collector feedback network. That is, it is RC. Here, this value is 100 kilo ohm. This value is 2 kilo ohm. Okay. This is VCC is 10 volts. This beta is 50 volts. Okay. This we have to find. This stability factor. What is the stability factor for this? What is the formula for stability factor? 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta minus RC by RB plus RC. Means 1 plus beta by 1 plus beta RC by RB plus RC. This is the stability factor for this collector to base feedback network. Collector to base feedback network. Okay, students. Now we will write this equation. How we can write the expressions here? To write this expression, VCC is equal to. Okay, we will write the expression here. VCC is equal to same equations. This is a loop one. VCC is equal to, here the current I into RC, and here the current divide. This side current is IB, this side current is IC, and this side current is I. Okay. VCC is equal to I into, this VCC is equal to, the here current I into RC plus IB into RB plus VBE. Okay. This we will write VCC is equal to I into RC plus IB into RB plus VBE. We'll write in this manner. Okay, students. VCC is equal to we'll write a IBRB plus VBE plus beta into IB into RC. Now here we know now that is I is equal to IB plus IC. Now we will write a IC is equal to beta into IB, the collector current, beta into IB into RC. That is why we are writing this. In place of IC, we are writing beta into IB. That is why we are writing. This value is IC. Okay, VCC is equal to, from this, we will find same, no problem, we can find here. IB RB plus beta into IB RC plus VBE. To get IB, VCC minus VBE by by RB plus beta into RC. That is 10 minus 0.7 by RB value is 100 into 10 power 3 plus beta 50 into RC 2 into 10 power 3. You will get the value of IB, that is 46.5 microampere. This is the value. This is the value of base current. See the students. Here you may write, no problem. VCC is equal to, like this you may write. This is the value of IB current. And similarly, if you want to find IC is equal to beta into IB. IC is equal to beta is 50 into IB. IB is 46.5 into 10 power minus 6. Now the value of IC is 2.35 milliampere. The collector current is this much. The collector current is this much. Okay, students. Now you got the value of IB as 46.5 microamperes, and you are getting the value of IC 2.35 milliamperes. Okay. Now next, to find out the operating point, we will get output current. Output, that is VCC is equal to ICRC plus VCE. From this we will write VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC. Okay, 10 minus, this is a 10, you can see here. This is 10. 10 minus IC value. IC how much you are getting? 2.35 into 10 power minus 3 into RC, 2 into 10 power 3. We'll get the value of VCE, that is 5.35 volts. Okay. Now you got the VCE. Output voltage VCE is 5.35, that is we assume as VCQ, and ICQ, that is 2.35 milliamperes. This is the operating point. This is the operating point. Okay, students. Next, stability factor. The formula for this is 1 plus beta by 1 minus beta, 1 plus beta, RC by RB plus RC. Now 1 plus 50 by 1 plus 50 into 2 into 10 power 3 by 100 plus 2 into 10 power 3. Okay, this all value will get, and you will get the value of the stability factor value is 25.75. Okay, 25.75. That is a stability factor. This is the stability factor for the circuit. Okay, students, easy BTech guide for BTech and beyond. Thank you.